Hello, we are Feature Corner. We are professional graphic designer and provide our creative service in worldwide. Are you finding professional designer in reliable price? Don't worry, we will provide you our best service. Just contact us and tell us what's your problem. Our creative and experienced designer waiting for you. Our creative team has more than 2 years experience and provide high quality creative unique works. Our target is satisfying my clients with quality deliveries. We will provide any type of Photoshop and Illustrator works, especially banner, book covers, Facebook timelines, t-shirt design, business cards, flyer, icon, retouching, remove change background, add remove people, object, watermark, flash glare, shadow, image, enhance color, adjust lighting contrast, special effects. Any type of graphic design service, only $30. No advance payment required. After you satisfy, then you will payment us. So don't worry, contact with us today. featurecorner@gmail.com. Our portfolio link in the description box. Thanks for watching.